Our Roasting 101 class, hosted here in Minneapolis, is the best way to learn how to roast, cup, and start your own roasting company. Students from all over the world join us for this class. Some of them are already roasting and want to receive formal training or improve their skill set. Other students are brand new to coffee, and they need to build a strong foundation in machine control, cupping, and green coffee knowledge. Students learn together in small groups and spend time roasting on small and large machines. We start with easy exercises to help people feel comfortable on the roasters, but we quickly move on to more difficult roasting challenges and empower students to work together, make decisions, and build their own profiles. We spend time in class cupping and calibrating on different roasts to draw correlations between the profile and the final cup. The class touches on topics like branding, building coffee blends, roastery space planning and machine installation, and growing your wholesale customer base. Students leave the class ready to operate their own equipment and get great coffee out of the cooling tray.